Have you ever wondered why some people have allergies while others don't? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of allergies to find out. Allergies are essentially a reaction of our immune system. You see, our bodies are like fortresses, and our immune system is the loyal knight, always on the lookout for invaders. But sometimes this knight gets a little too overzealous and starts attacking substances that are usually not harmful, like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods. This is what we call an allergic reaction. Now, these allergies can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, and lifestyle. From the youngest baby to the oldest grandparent, from the most athletic person to the couch potato, no one is immune to allergies. So why do some people get allergies while others don't? Understanding why allergies happen to some people and not others requires a bit of scientific insight. So buckle up. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind allergies. Imagine your body as a well-fortified castle, and the immune system is the loyal knight, always on guard. This knight is constantly on the lookout for invaders, known as antigens, which could be anything from viruses to bacteria. When these antigens attempt to enter the castle, our knight springs into action, producing weapons known as antibodies to neutralize the threat. Now here's where allergies come in. Sometimes our knight gets a little overzealous and mistakes harmless substances like pollen or pet dander for dangerous invaders. This is essentially an allergic reaction, the immune system misidentifying something harmless as a threat and going into battle mode. But how does this battle manifest? Well, when the immune system detects an allergen, it produces a particular type of antibody known as IgE. This IgE binds to the allergen and also to a cell in the body, causing the cell to release various chemicals. One of these chemicals is histamine, the culprit behind most allergy symptoms. Histamine can cause inflammation, itching, mucus production, and in severe cases, constriction of the airways. To illustrate, let's take hay fever, a common allergic reaction to pollen. When someone with hay fever breathes in pollen, their immune system sees it as an invader and produces IgE antibodies. These antibodies trigger the release of histamine, leading to symptoms like a runny nose, itchy eyes, and sneezing. So essentially, an allergic reaction is a case of mistaken identity, with your immune system treating harmless substances as if they were harmful invaders. This overreaction causes the symptoms that we associate with allergies, from the mild discomfort of hay fever to potentially life-threatening anaphylaxis. So that's how an allergic reaction happens. But why does it happen to some people and not others? Well, it's all about genetics and environment. Genetics and environment play a key role in determining who gets allergies and who doesn't. Let's start with genetics. Allergies tend to run in families, suggesting a strong genetic component. If your parents have allergies, you're more likely to have them too. This is because you can inherit certain genes that make your immune system more reactive to potential allergens. However, genetics aren't the whole story. Your environment also plays a significant part. Exposure to specific allergens, especially at a young age, can trigger an allergic reaction. For instance, children who grow up around pets or on farms where they are exposed to a wider variety of allergens may be less likely to develop allergies later in life. This is known as the hygiene hypothesis. It's also important to note that certain environmental factors, such as pollution or cigarette smoke, can exacerbate allergic reactions. These factors don't cause allergies per se, but they can make symptoms worse in individuals who are already genetically predisposed. Lastly, it's crucial to understand that while genetics and environment significantly influence the development of allergies, they are not the only factors. Other elements such as diet, exercise, and overall health can also play a role. So, while it's not entirely in our control, understanding the factors that contribute to allergies can help us manage them better. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about allergies. Allergies aren't just about sneezing at cats. They're a complex interplay between our immune system, our genetic makeup, and the world around us. Our immune system misidentifies harmless substances as threats, producing an allergic reaction. This tendency can be influenced by our genes and the environment we're exposed to. So the next time you or someone you know sneezes at the sight of a cat, remember, it's not the poor feline's fault. It's all about the intricate workings of the immune system, genetics, and environment. Thanks for watching.